everybody, welcome back to the Biker Baker Show, and today we're making banana nut bread. Really easy one, and like I say, I'm always a rule breaker. I mix everything in one bowl. So here we go. Let's get all the ingredients here. We've got 3 ripe bananas we've already peeled and put in here. We have 2 cups of flour. I'm just pouring everything in the bowl. I know there's going to be people saying, you can't do that. You do in my kitchen. I want everything as simple as can be. As long as it comes out, tastes right. This kind of stuff like this doesn't have to be perfect. Now, certain things do candy. That's got to be perfect. This stuff right here, we're okay with it. So, 3 ripe bananas, 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of sugar. Got that? 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Get all that out there. And I've got a half a stick of butter and about a 1/4 cup of sour cream. We're just mixing everything in the same bowl. I don't care. And then 1 egg, room temperature egg. We're putting that right there on top. Then we're going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. Right like that. Also, we're going to put nuts in it, and I'm putting them in now too. But, as I said, if nothing goes wrong, it's not my show. All right, here goes some nuts. We got about a cup of nuts, walnuts we're using on this. So we're going to take it and we're going to mix it all together. You know, there are places that you go to and you get banana nut bread and they don't have real bananas in them and you can taste it. It's just like a banana imitation, that kind of stuff, just a liquid with no real bananas in it. This is real bananas, folks, and we're just going to be good. All right, here we go. We're going to go mix it up. Just use your mixer. When bananas are good and ripe, they'll chop right up. See that? You're getting a little liquid now. The bananas makes the liquid in it. And that butter.
Oops. I'm dropping my camera here. Hang on, folks.
I said if it was perfect, it wouldn't be our show. All right.
There we go.
So we're going to bake this. The recipe calls for 300 degrees for 1 hour. I do 325 for an hour. Yep. All right, look at that. Looks like it's all mixed up now. Don't want to over mix it too much. All right. Now I've got a loaf pan already buttered here, sprayed. Okay. You're just going to pour the whole thing right down in that. Look at that. Look at them nuts in there and all that. Folks, I've been showing you these videos and it hardly takes any time at all to make them. You can look on it. My videos are probably maximum 11 minutes long. You have some baking time in there, but other than that, putting them all together is really easy. And if there's anything you want me to make, leave it below. Let me know. And Logan, I want to thank you for watching all of my shows. All right, here we go. We're going in the oven at 325 for an hour. We'll check on it in about 45 minutes, and we'll be back with you when we get ready to take it out of the oven. Hello, we're back, and the bread cooked in the oven at 325 for about an hour and 10 minutes. This is what it looks like. We're getting ready to cut into it and see. I like the ends, so I'm not even going to cut those yet. Mr. Smith tries to get them from me.
That's my favorite part.
That's mine. All right. Look at that. It's all hot and smoky in there. You put some butter on that. Looks pretty good, huh? Smells delicious in here. Too bad you don't have smell-o-vision. Because it smells like banana nut bread up in here. Okay. We're back to like, share, subscribe, comment, please. And help us grow. And also, let me show you this. This is the famous paper towel holder that Mr. Smith made. The Biker Baker on it with this cute little finny on it. And I don't have the paper towels on it right now. But, look. I can! That quick. It's so easy. You could be a lucky winner if you do all the liking and commenting and sharing and subscribing and all of that good stuff. Promote me, please. We're just getting started. I've only been at it for 2 weeks. So, we're working on it. I get 100 subscribers. Somebody's going to get this. I'm a lucky winner. Okay. So, like, subscribe, share, comment, and if you have any comments, leave them below so I will know what you want to see. And keep it between the lines, bikers, and rubber side down. So, thanks for watching the Biker Baker Show, and peace out.